Colton, what did you get today?
Blue.
A blue? Blue what? Bike? Oh, what is it? Is it your bike? Yeah, you like blue. Alright, what we got here? This is the Strider Learn to Ride bike.
Wider.
Excuse me.
Wider.
And you can see it now, Strider. Pretty cool. You could push yourself, no pedals. Strider Classic. Even Baxter's interested. Alright. You think it's pretty cool? Huh? You ready to build this baby and put it together? You gonna build it all yourself?
Yeah.
Where are the tools at? What do we got? Oh, perfect. Alright.
Yeah.
Well, let's start building this baby. You ready? Hey, you ready or what? Alright, there we go, yeah. Goes down there. Alright. I think you're ready. Ready, Superman? Alright, let's do it. Gonna go down the hill, Colt? On your Strider. There he goes. Go over, Colt. Go over that way. Go over that way a little bit. Put your feet up. You're not Euro yet. You're only 2. Already want to jump. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here he comes. Go fast. Getting it down? Getting it down?
No.
Huh?
No.
Getting down, Spider-Man? Go back down the hill. There you go. Keep going. Go fast. Put your feet up, buddy. Put your feet up. You're not ready to do that yet. Good job. Excuse me. Whew. Come back up. Come back up. Time to get that leg workout. Them quads and those calves burning. Burn, baby, burn. Come on, push it. Push it. Push it, push it, push it. You don't even feel a burn. You're 2 years old. Lucky. Woo! Good job. Good job, man.